how not to take all this personally. Because I really struggle with this experience. But while you're telling your story, the other one walks away to switch on the TV. Now, who would take one of these situations personally? Show me hands, come on. Lots of you. Why? Why do we take things personally? Somebody says or does something and bam, we feel hurt, neglected, offended, betrayed by the other one. That's what we believe though. It's the other person's fault. He's responsible for what we feel. He's the one to blame. Now, hang on. Who says that? Which part of us is speaking? It's our ego. Our ego thinks that others should take us into consideration. Our ego doesn't want to be criticized. Hell no. Our ego wants to be acknowledged. I'm right. Do you want to be right? That's exhausting. When my ego takes over, I'm fighting all day. I'm in a constant struggle with the rest of the world. And it drains my energy. Wouldn't it be so much easier to not take things personally? Because then no one has power over you. You're free. You experience much more harmony and connection between you and other people. Of course, because your energy can go towards nice things instead of endlessly battling against the things that drive you crazy. So the question is, do you want to be right or do you want to be happy? I know what some of you are thinking. I will make sure I will be happy by being right. Well, how do you do it? How to become happy by not taking things personally? Okay, here comes. First strategy. It's not about me. What do you mean it's not about me? This sounds weird, doesn't it? Because when I take things personally, I'm convinced it is about me. I simply need to shift my focus from me to we, and I won't take it personally. If I try to see the intention of the other one, I make space for understanding instead of irritation. Does this ring a bell? So the first strategy to not take it personally is it's not about me. Look at the other person's. Do you have any idea, ladies and gentlemen, how many thoughts our brain produces? 50,000. And guess how many of them are only 10,000? So this means that 80% of what we think are negative thoughts. That's a lot. So seeing the positive intention of the other one requires a lot of... When I focus on the intention of the other person, there is no need to take it. Every coin has a flip side. When this first strategy, it's not about me, doesn't work, it simply means it is about... I have to look in the mirror and question myself. Look at the other person's intention. If that doesn't work, it is about me. Give yourself empathy. I would also like 20 euros to learn how not to take things personally. Show me hands. Show me hands. Oh, who still wants the 20 euros now? Who still wants the 20 euros now? Still wants the 20 euros now? And who still wants them now? Why do you still want these 20 euros?
Because it's still 20 euros.
People may criticize you or ignore you. They can crumple you up with their words, spit you out, or even walk all over you. But whatever they do will always keep your value.